Global MedTech giants like Siemens and Philips are placing serious bets on India. Siemens has invested 91.9 crore rupees to start manufacturing CT and MRI machines at its Bengaluru facility. Meanwhile, Philips has expanded operations in Pune with a 350 crore rupees investment to produce radio frequency coils, essential parts of MRI systems. Firms like Boston Scientific, GE Healthcare, Medtronic, and Stryker have also launched R&D centers in Bengaluru and Hyderabad, showcasing India's growing importance in medtech innovation. And it's not just hardware. Philips recently launched the AI-enabled Elevate platform upgrade on their EpiQ Elite ultrasound system in India, making diagnostics faster and more efficient. So, why is everyone turning to India? We've got a solid mix of cost advantages, incredible STEM talent, and stable, supportive government policies. All of this fits right into the vision of Make in India, not just assembling products, but building, innovating, and leading on a global scale. India's role in the healthcare tech world is quickly transforming. What do you think? Will India become a global leader in medtech? Let us know in the comments. Follow our MEDEToday channel for more updates and engaging content like this.